Hey everyone, are you still sending out boring black and white CVs? That could be the reason you're not getting interview calls. But what if I told you that in just a few minutes you could design a modern, professional CV that makes recruiters stop and pay attention, all for completely free? Today I will show you step by step how to create your first CV in Canva, even if you have never designed anything before. What you have to do, just go to Google and search for Canva. And once you're here, this is how it's going to look like. And here you can find this as a search bar. Now click on search bar, just type CV or resume or anything, right? You can search for template, professional, simple, whatever you want. So for example, if you want CV ATS, so ATS basically that is application tracking system. So if you're making your CV which can completely comply with ATS, you can go with this one, or you can simply search for CV, and here you will get almost every kind of CV. You can scroll down, you can get infinite templates, not infinite, but yeah. Now here, once you are okay with any of the CV, any of the design, so let's just for example, I like this one or maybe this one. So right, so here I can just go and click on it. This is a paid version, so you can use this. So you can see here, this is a crown. If you see this crown icon, it means that you have to pay for it. But other than, you can see here, there's no crown here, so I can use it for my CV. So for example, I like this one, click on it, click on this customize this template. Now, most job seekers use the same alt template that blend in with hundreds of others. So, there's a no point, there's a no way where you can stand out. But the truth is, presentation matters. A clean, well-designed CV can instantly set you apart, and Canva make this process super easy for beginner, right? So here, once you have picked a template that matches your style and industry, for example, this one, right? If you're applying for government job or corporate job or something like that, and if you want a completely minimal, no design, nothing, it's completely up to you. So here, once you have opened a template, you can do a lot of things. For example, first of all, zoom it. You can zoom it from here, or you can also use your mouse scroll just to scroll from top to bottom, or you can use the sidebar cursor, right? And you can also make it completely full screen. So it's completely up to you how you want to go with it. So for example, I like to edit this one. Now here I want to change my photograph. So first of all, just go to the upload, and you can directly upload your images straight from your computer. So what you have to do, for example, that I like, there's a one face, I like this one, so I will just click and hold and put it here. Now automatically that image will change. Now I can just double click on it and I can adjust my entire image, right? So it's completely up to you how you want to go, and you can just resize it however you want. Now for example, if you want something like that square shape, so here you have to go to the elements, and here you have to search for frames, or you can scroll down from the left side, and here you will find frames. Click on see all. Now I like this frame, so I will click and hold and put it here, right? It's too big, so I can just make it small like this, and I can put it here. Now instead of this image, I want to put here, and then I can simply go and adjust however size I want, and Canva will help me a lot. As you can see here, there's a lot of pink color lines. You can see this will help you to adjust. Now you have to simply just go here, and you can just click and hold and drag it here. You can click on it and adjust it. Now if you want to make it zoom, you can zoom it however you want, right? I would like to go with the circle one, so let me just keep this circle one here, right? And everything is perfect right now. Now here, this is about me. So Canva gave me a complete freedom to change everything. For example, I want to change my about me from here to here, so I can do it, right? So as you can see here, it's not visible here because we are using two color. Now first of all, you have to just select it. You can simply click on it and select it. Now here you will find, click on this A icon, that is a text color icon. Now here you can change your text color icon and it's visible, right? So this is how it's going to be, and really simple. Now if you want to change the size, for example, let me just move it like this, right? Now you can see here, this is a black, that this sidebar, so I can change it, I can do whatever I want. So I have the complete freedom to do so. This is a background color, so I can just go with something else. For example, if I want to go red, I can do red, but obviously it's not not going to look good here, so I'm going to stick with just only this color. So this is perfect, a perfect design. Now here you can change your information. So for example here, so what you have to do just to change your information, just go to ChatGPT, and here you have to enter your all the details. So as you can see here, this is my information, and I can just simply ask ChatGPT to give me a normal description. So I can just paste the normal description here. I can even adjust it however I want. If the size is too big, I can adjust it. Now here I can change my mobile number, right? However I want, right? Same goes for this email. This is the address and the skills. As you can add as many things, you can just go and click on add page, or you can do one thing, you can just make it small. You can duplicate this entire page here. For example, if you want no information, I can just completely remove it, right? So it's completely up to you how you want to keep it. For example, I want to lock this up. Now what is this lock? So once I lock it, I can just erase everything and it will be available in this way, right? So once it get locked, I cannot move it, so I have to unlock it just to move this entire section, right? So you can just do, and you have the complete freedom to change it. And once you have changed or added some new information, simply you have to just go and click on share. Now here you will find this option of download, right? Once you are done here, the best option that you can go with the PDF, but you have more option. You can download it in an image format or PNG or PDF or PDF print. I would like to go with a PDF print here. I want to download only the first image, so I will just select the first image and click on download. Within few seconds it will get downloaded in your system. As you can see here, now let me click on it, and as you can see here that it got completely changed, and this is a resume. Just rename it and you can share it wherever you're applying for the job. So this is it. And guys, if you get a job just because of this resume, I mean this if you have watched this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe, and let me know in the comment box.